Oh yeah. Put it in the loader and then go get it. Bring it to daddy. Bring it to daddy. Yeah, there you go. Look at. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, you're fast. What's up, everybody? We picked up this Nerf dog cannon. Shoots up to 35 feet. It's balls right here. We have some of these balls already inside, but we're going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to give it a shot right now with Twinkie the Corgi. Let's go. Hey, Twinkie, look what we got you. It's a Nerf gun. You want to play some fetch? Do you like it? Huh? You want to play? Give me a high five if you want to play. Or give me a paw. You want to give me a paw? Give me a paw. Paw? You want to play? Give me a paw. All right. Let's go. Let's open this. Go. Open it up. You want daddy open it? You want daddy open it? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So we got this all opened up. We're going to load this up. We're going to crank this back. Are you ready? Are you ready? Set. Wide view. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Go get it. Go get it, mama. No. Go get it. Go get it. Yes. Daddy got it. Daddy got it. Daddy got it. Okay, one more time. One more time. Look here. We load this up.
Oh, it's okay.
Fetch. Go get it.
Maybe because it doesn't look like her ball.
Yeah, because the other ball's all tore up. Okay.
I wonder if I get her other ball.
Gun is loaded. 1, 2, 3. Set. Try this one more time. Come on, Twinkie. Go get it. Okay, you know what? We're going to get you your ball. Your little ball that's all tore up. Maybe you'll go fetch that one, huh? Paul. Okay, let's do that. Look at, mommy brought you your ball.
Yeah. You want
Yeah?
that one?
Okay. Ready? Ready?
Oh, look, there it goes.
Here it goes.
Look,
Come on.
look.
Twinkie. Let's go. Go get it. Yeah! I think she's more amazed about. There you go. Yeah! Bring it to daddy. Bring it to daddy. Yay! Good girl.
No, Hachi.
Hey, bring it to daddy. Come on. Let's try it one more time. Ready? Look at. We're gonna load this up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go get it, mama. Yeah! Bring it to daddy.
She's like, oh, there's 2 balls.
She's like, wait. Bring it to daddy. Bring it to daddy. Yay! Okay, drop it. Good girl. Good girl. That's cool. There's like a little lever here. Lift that up. Put this in. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Go get it, mama. Bring it to daddy.
She's switching. Good girl.
Okay, mommy's turn. Mommy's turn. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball.
Ready?
Go. Take it back to mommy. Take it back.
Come here. Come here. Come on, bring me the ball.
I think you want daddy to do it. Okay, daddy will do it.
Whatever.
Yay! Bring it to daddy. Twinkie.
It's right here. Ready?
Go. Shoot it. Help her.
Go get it. Go.
1, 2, 3. Shoot it. All right, son, you ready for this?
Yeah.
You ready, Twinkie? Ready, set, go. All right, Nevaeh.
Wait.
Ready, set, go. Bring it to Daddy. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Well, that didn't work.
Go get it.
Here. Press this button. Up, load, pull it back. See that? So easy, kids can do it. Ready, Twinkie? Let's go. Try it. Yeah. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Oh, fail. Oh, that one will go get it.
Hey, she got it.
So just in case your dog doesn't want to fetch,
I got the ball.
maybe your kids will go after the ball. Do you like the gun, Janet? Kid approves? Go get it, Twinkie!
No, Janet, you gotta let Twinkie get it. Don't get it.
Alright, so let me show you how easy it is for a 4-year-old to load this gun. Here, show them. Load it. Okay, pull it back. Pull it back. Muscles. Okay, shoot it. Go, go, go. Shoot it, Mama, shoot it. Yeah, go get it, Twinkie. Bring Daddy the ball. Bring Daddy the ball. Twinkie, bring Daddy the ball. Close enough. Good job. High five. Twinkie. Okay, look. This is what happens when you don't read the instructions. These balls that come with this gun, look. Oh, look at, you squeak it. You pump them up. Look. Oh, you want that, huh? You want that, huh? Oh. Then you load the gun. Well, this should have been ready already. Use your feet. Look. Ready? Look. Twinkie, ready? Come on. Whoa. Go get the ball. Bring the ball to Daddy. Bring the ball to Daddy. Yeah, there you go. That's Mommy, but close enough.
Where's the ball?
Here, throw it to me. Oh, see? You want it, huh? Look at that. Oh, this gun is a plus. Look at that. Oh, she wants it. Oh, so what do? Oh, should have had this loaded again. Oh, my fail. Like, come on, Daddy. Oh, you want it, huh? Oh, load that in there. Oh, yeah, look it. Go get it. Yeah.
Here, load another one.
Oh. Oh, there it goes. Bring it to Daddy, bring it to Daddy. Yeah. Man, these are like different grips, huh?
Yeah, they're different grips. No, I don't have one. No, I don't have one.
Bring it to Daddy. Bring it to Daddy. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah. 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 Again. Okay, let me load it. Like that. Okay, ready? Okay, load it in. Ready, set. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Bring it to daddy. Yes. There you go. Good job. Good job.
Drop it.
Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Okay. Ready? Ready? You like this, huh? You like this. Look at you tease them. Oh yeah. Put it in the loader and then go get it. Bring it to daddy. Bring it to daddy. Yeah, there you go. Look at. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, you're fast. Good girl. Good girl. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Drop it.
Listen to mommy.
Drop it.
Drop it. Okay, listen to daddy. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. See? Works for daddy, huh? Ready? Set. Go. Bring it to daddy. Bring it to daddy.
Go get it.
Bring it to daddy. Bring it to daddy.
Have it. You left him over there. Go get him, silly. Go get your balls.
All right, everybody. This Nerf gun is awesome. Paul, for high five? That's right. Oh, high five. Show them. Yeah. Good stuff, huh? That's right. Everybody, you got a dog? Go pick this up. Peace. Go get it. Bring it to daddy. Yeah, bring it to daddy. Yes. Again. Again. Boom. Yeah. Look. Oh, there goes another one. Bring it to daddy. Bring it to daddy. Bring it to daddy. Yeah, there goes another one.
She's like, what?
Yeah. Bring it to daddy. Come on.